Hi guys, welcome to our channel. And today we're going to show you how to maintain this faux loc crochet. It's a crochet. It was in storage and single braids. You can see it. Today I'm going to show you how I maintain these locks. A lot of people do protective hairstyles and they feel that because they have put their hair inside the braids or twist or locks and they're not going to do any other thing to it. But I mean, this is one of the reasons why our hair don't thrive, not even good hair don't thrive. So whether you're natural hair or relaxed hair, you have to take care of the hair inside your protective styles, especially when you're going to have the hair on for more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Some even carry it up to 2 months and they do nothing to it, and then when they want to take it down they start seeing some shedding and all that. It's because your hair probably dried out, or all the styling products you're using have put some residues on the hair, and because you didn't properly take care of it, it probably starts clogging your pores. Your hair won't get enough oil or get enough air, and then the oils and the nutrients that are supposed to help the hair work, we didn't supply with it. So what we're going to do is just simple steps. It's not something that is going to take your time, because I know a lot of people are busy and are working 9 to 5. So when you have this is a simple routine you can do. If you're going to have your hair for 2 weeks, you're going to more than 2 weeks, you can probably do all. But if you're going to carry your hair for just less than 2 weeks, you can skip some steps. But most importantly, you need your hair to be properly moisturized. Now the first thing I do to maintain this faux loc crochet is first of all I take a bowl of water. And I have a shampoo, and for today I'm going to use shampoo. Why I like this shampoo? Because it's mint. It has some things. For those of us who have dried scalp or suffering from dandruff, this is perfect for you to control it. All those white scales that are coming off your hair, your scalp, this is perfect. So that what I do, I take just a little. It's fine, just so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take just a little and I'm going to put it inside the bowl of water. Okay, so I'm going to take a clean towel, and you can use cotton wool if you have, but I prefer to use this towel because I don't want all those white stuff from the cotton wool to enter my hair and just get stuck in there. So squeeze it and then just clean your scalp. Now the essence is to make sure that all those residues, it's not just the residues that come from the products you use in styling your hair, it's also the fact that you go out in the air and you have dust. There's so many impurities in the air that can actually enter your scalp and just go and clog the pores there. So you clean it to remove all those impurities. You do this, you take your hair section by section and clean it. If you don't have the time, you can just it. Or if you have access to hair dryer, and you're sure you're not going anywhere, you can actually just wash it. But for me, I don't want to wash because I don't have the time. So what I do is I clean it. Now you're cleaning up, you're opening up the pores, so that when we start applying other things, when we start applying the leave-in conditioner and the oils, the scalp will be ready to accept this and work and give us the proper nourishment that we need in our body. So you clean it and you clean all the scalp, all the impurities. Now when you're done with this, the next thing you're going to do is to moisturize your hair. So moisturize with a leave-in conditioner. I like this product because they said it's 14 in 1 miracle. They call it miracle worker. So I'm gonna use it to moisturize the hair. The reason some of us we have hair breakage and the rest of it because our hair has dried out. Okay, when your hair dries out, if you pull it, it's typically going to start breaking, right? Now, to avoid hair breakage, you have to, and the hair drying out and having all those dandruff and scales falling off our hair. I mean, when you look at your shirt, you have some scales. To avoid it, you have to use a moisturizer. I mean, a leave-in conditioner as well. So I'm going to, for this sake, I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to just take a little bit, and just moisturize. Now this is the best part. You know when you go to a salon and literally have to have somebody, massage your scalp. It feels so good, right? Now imagine when you do it for yourself. It actually helps. This massage is very helpful because it helps the blood vessels, it helps the blood to flow well, therefore enabling all the nutrients to do the proper job they're supposed to do. So you really, this is an opportunity for you to massage your scalp every week. So you use your hand and run through. Please, by the way, make sure you take it in sections. Don't be like me. So do that. Now my hair is, and if you notice, I'm concentrating on the scalp, because this is the scalp that actually smells. It's where all the things, all the residues are. Okay, the locks, I can wash them when I take them down, but for the sake of this, I'm going to do it for the scalp. So I'm done with it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to seal. I'm going to seal this moisturizer. I'm going to seal the water in with an oil. Now I have this. I saw this oil at if you're in Nigeria and you're Port Harcourt, I have the Prince Mega Cosmetics. I'm going to put the description below where I got all the products that I used today. I'm going to put the description in our description. I'm going to put all of them, all the details in the description box if you want to buy yours. So this is it. It said it's 12 in 1. They call it miracle oil. Miracle oil, it has the jojoba oil, it has the almond oil, has olive oil, Moroccan argan oil, grapeseed oil, different types of oil, right? So instead of buying different types of oil one after another and spending more, so I prefer to have them in this. So I use this and I just take it and run through my scalp. I just make sure that I've gone to all different parts of the hair. And I will use my hand and do the same thing. God, I love this part. It's absolutely the best part, man, guys. You need to do this. You need to see how I feel. Another reason why this is really important is that it's going to be easy for you to take down your locks because you have reduced all the friction by making it soft and warm. So it's not going to be so hard for you to take down the locks when you want to take it down, right? Now that I have sealed the moisture in, now this final step is optional. For me, I don't really like to I don't mind. I can just get my hair and brush it. just to brush the front, just to make it look good, and I'm good to go, right? I'm not a big fan of edge control all the time. I don't usually put it. Maybe the fact that I don't have the time to be doing that. So what I do, but if you want to use this, so even when I want to use, I use this shine and down. I'll put the details where I got them from in the description box. Shine and down. I think you guys all know this. Shine and down. And the reason I use it is actually a styling gel. It's just for braiding. The reason I like to use it is because it does not flake, and it doesn't make the hair in my front to be strong that whenever I want to take it down, I'll start cleaning, right? I'm sure you get right. So what I do is just take a little, and just look for, and just just rub this place. And once I'm done, I'll just use the brush. Please forgive me, I don't know how to draw, but I'm gonna try. I just comb them in. Put them in. Now do the same for this side. Just to brush it in. And I do this, right? And such that when you want to pack it, you won't be looking very old and all of that. So the final thing that I have to mention, I'm not going to do it here because it's not nice, is to get either your silk bonnets or your satin bonnets. When you're sleeping at night, you tuck your hair in, and that way you can retain all the moisture that you have applied on your hair. If you found this video, if you're new here, please click the subscribe button so that you know when we post the next thing. And if you found this video helpful, or there are other things you want me to do, please put a comment, leave a comment in the subscribe button to encourage us. Guys, we want to reach 1,000 subscribers, and we're new to this thing, and we need your help to get to 1,000. Please, guys, I need your support. Yeah, have a great day, darling. Bye.